So how can you make your iPad more like a computer? Now, this is a question a lot of people have been asking themselves, but basically there are a few ways how you're going to do this. I'm going to be very quick. So at first, try getting a keyboard, right? So if you buy the Apple Magic keyboard, I know it's in another expense to an already expensive iPad, but if you have a keyboard like this, you can literally just open it up and close it like a computer. You can type on it like on a computer. And more importantly, you can also use all of these shortcuts. I'm talking about the keyboard shortcuts like the Command C and Command N to open up the new window, or Command V to paste, and all of the other things which you normally use on your computer. And I'm not even talking about the trackpad, right? So this is like the first important thing. But then pay attention to the software, because obviously iPadOS 26 has just been announced and almost released. So this has been introduced to make the iPad a lot more like a computer, where you have it similar to the Mac, where you also have the close, minimize, and full screen buttons next to Windows. You have resizable windows as well, and it just behaves much more like a computer. But even in the older versions of iPadOS, you had what's called a stage manager, which allowed you to just, use a couple of different apps like that and just move them around, resize some windows and whatever. And just using the iPad like this makes it much more like a computer. Right. So the cool thing about the iPad, of course, is that it can blend the usage of the touchscreen and the other features as well. So this makes it a very powerful combination. But yeah, these are the things, or how you can actually make the iPad more like a computer. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for the next guides and explanations like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later.